Jagoro maduong' mar duond bura mar Jubilee Kioni oseyo piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kuom temo donjore gi bede migepe mopogore opogore mag piny owacho e chwalo ajenda mag siasa. Kioni lieko ni moko kuom apisas mag piny owacho e bad migawo mar obila osechunge tich e wi chich ni ne gisiro lwedo kweth mar Azimio la Umoja e kinde yiero maduong' mokalo.
And we want to remind the current government that the public servants today are expected to serve the government of the day, the UDA government. Those public servants who are serving the government of the day, then the Jubilee government. To punish them today is to tell the others that they should not also be serving UDA government, because come the next government, they will be punished for having served it. Gachagua has also said that he is going to go for the cartels, so-called cartels, of the people who work with the Jubilee government. That vindictive approach is really the perpetuation or perfection of a political agenda. If it is a real criminal thing, then they should allow the institutions or the agencies that have been set in the Constitution to perform their work. Anything else is weaponizing the same agencies, is actually perfecting the capture, the state capture that they seem to have had a lecture on. And these are issues that will certainly make this government very unpopular.